Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open a Cash App account. Let's get started. You can start by downloading the Cash App application in your mobile device or open a browser and then search for cash.app. Once you've done that, simply tap on sign up option and you will be prompted to enter your phone number or email address. You can choose the option that suits you the best and follow the on-screen instruction. After signing up, you will need to verify your identity. You may be asked to provide personal information like your full name, date of birth, and last four digits of your SSN for security purpose. Now to start using Cash App, you can link a bank account, debit card, or credit card by entering the required details. This will allow you to send and receive money. You can even create a cash tag by choosing a unique cash tag to easily receive money from others. It's optional but helps you get paid quickly. And that's it. Once everything is done, your Cash App account is ready to use. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.